The extended lockdown has disrupted lives and routines with some idle time on hand. Many are using the opportunity to develop new skills or to rediscover old pastimes. Politicians' busy schedules have made way for more mundane chores. From baking to gardening, others less domesticated have hauled out their vinyls.
The extended lockdown is not all doom and gloom. Many people are using this time to acquire new skills. Some politicians have stopped committee meetings for household chores.
I am staying at home, washing the dishes and helping my wife in the kitchen today.
Some are harvesting rich rewards.
Yeah, not right.
Manage.
Okay, president, usake ngani. Khani nawo omunye ungaziphuza ukhenentanyelo. Nawo omunye bonde ambona right.
Others are mastering the art of baking.
Today I'm making biscuits. And now the ingredients for the biscuits, it's margarine, it's icing sugar, an egg and flour. After mixing the dough, I'll then put it in the fridge to cool for like 2 hours, and then from there I'll then put it in the oven, and my biscuits will be ready. Yeah. So after a bit of work, I mean, this is the product of my work in the kitchen. These are biscuits. Obviously, these ones they go in well with afternoon tea, coffee, or milk.
Some use music to wind down on the ones and twos. This goes to show that even a restrictive lockdown holds opportunities. When life gives you lemon, make lemonade. Natasha Piri, SABC News, Johannesburg.